Your family will love it. A huge boy, a quad slide mid bunk room. 4 slides mid bunk plus a top loft. You've got sleeping for friends and family. Solar panel on the roof, so you're all set if you want to go off grid. Let's take a look around this loaded unit. 6-point auto leveling and memory hitch height. There's the control there. Hit the button, it remembers what level you unhooked at. That's where it'll return to hook up. Solar on the roof I mentioned. There's your charge controller right there in this huge front storage space. That's a lot of storage area right there. Open this up and you've got your all-in-one docking station. Easy winterization with the valves right there to turn battery disconnect, water fill, water flush. Your outdoor hot cold shower. Got a nice amount of front storage area there as well. LED nose cone lighting at the top and both sides. Outdoor kitchen. Every family camper should have an outdoor kitchen. Access to that big front storage. Outdoor kitchen has a pull-out stovetop and 12-volt fridge, all under this nice big long awning LED lighting. This is the Crusader 382 MBH. Taking a look inside. Your main living room area at the back, you'd never guess that there's a bunkhouse in here as well. All that space, you've got all the space you need. Full pull-out couch, bed at the back. Got theater seating. You know the big arguments about whether you want chairs or whether you want a booth dinette? Well, there you go. You've got the best of both. And a booth dinette, of course, gives you that storage box. All kinds of stuff you can store under that booth side of it. Plus you still have the 2 padded chairs for the parents. Kitchen has a big convection microwave. Pots and pans drawer under the oven, glass stove top cover, pop-up TV so you don't lose the window area. We've got windows all around, big screen windows in the slide, across the back, and on the other side, unless you've got the TV up. Talking about arguments of what you like, what you don't. Remember the old arguments about whether you want the freezer at the top or freezer at the bottom? You got to bend down for something. Well, no more. Look at that. Full height of both. Got the best of both worlds in freezer and fridge, top to bottom. Island kitchen gains you that extra storage space again. Drawers and cabinet there under the sink. Shelving so it's not wasted area. A roll-up draining rack. 2 of them spread it across. Put on your dishes to drip dry. Got loads of kitchen storage space here. There's a spot for your garbage can. Overhead all across the back as well. Doors and doors and doors. Plus the big hutch buffet on the end wall. Nice amount of counter space there at the hutch to line up your coffee perk and your toasters, whatever you all have. Still giving you storage there. If you like the rustic look, this is a rustic rough white. Controls. Now taking a look at where this bunk room actually is. There you go, it's right inside the door. It's a mid bunk room with a loft above. Bunk room can double as a playroom or take out the couch and make it a home office. Top bunk moves up out of the way when you're using the couch. Lower it for nighttime. You've got a nice amount of clothing storage here for the people dwelling in the bunk. And then if you do have lots of people staying over, send them up top. A ladder there leading up to the loft above the mid bunk room. A nice wide bed there for another 2 or 3. charge controller for your solar panel that's on the roof. Plus it's controllable. Many of the main controls, awning, leveling, slides, and lighting can be controlled here on the pad as well as on the buttons there inside the cabinet. Washroom with porcelain bowl toilet, glass door shower, towel storage, skylight and fan, mirror door medicine cabinet, storage under the sink, big king bed, walk around king bed, little end tables on each side, is dual air conditioning, so you've got controls for your AC both in the midsection and in the bedroom for separate heating and cooling. Nice walk-in closet, literally walk-in closet there with shelves along the end wall to organize. And prepped for washer and dryer. Chest of drawers at the foot of the bed and a king size storage under the bed. What a beautiful unit. If you're looking for something that's got room for everyone, friends, families, 3 generations, whatever your need, I'm sure this Crusader mid bunk room can fill it. Stop in at Long Hall in Listowel to check it out.